I tried the Aerless Vacuum Kit, and here's the honest truth. The Aerless Vacuum Kit is marketed as a smart travel packing solution designed to help travelers save space in their luggage by compressing more than 15 clothing items and reducing volume by up to 60%. According to the official product pages, it includes durable vacuum bags made from water-resistant, anti-rip nylon, and a compact hand pump that removes air quickly without the need for electricity, promising easier packing and more room for essentials on trips. The company presents it as a tool for travelers who want to avoid checked bags and make the most of carry-on space. When it comes to real user experiences, the feedback online is mixed. Many customers share positive stories about how the airless bags help them pack more efficiently and fit more clothes into suitcases or backpacks. Several reviewers describe the bags as sturdy, easy to use with the hand pump, and effective at reducing volume, which made traveling smoother and allowed them to avoid baggage fees. Some travelers mentioned that the clothes stayed neat and that the kit became a travel hack they appreciated on frequent trips. Despite these positive experiences, there are also notable negative reports. A number of reviewers on independent review sites report long delivery times, with some orders taking several weeks to arrive or not arriving at all. Some people say they never received their kits and that communication with customer service was poor or non-existent. There are comments labeling the experience as frustrating and questioning the legitimacy of order tracking and fulfillment. These negative experiences raise concerns about reliability and customer support consistency. A third point that emerges from the mixed feedback is that while the airless bags may compress clothes to save space, the degree of volume reduction and ease of use can vary depending on what is being packed. Some users suggest that claims of dramatic space savings can be exaggerated in ads, and that compression reduces bulk but does not affect the weight of items. Clothes sometimes came out with minor wrinkles, which is a common reality with vacuum packing, but not a major drawback for
compression
most
bags, and
travelers.
here's why I won't
Considering
pack
what the
without it
product
again.
claims
With the
versus real
Travel
user
Pack
reports, the
Vacuum
Airless
Kit, you'll
Vacuum
never
Kit can
pay
be a
for
helpful
checked
travel
luggage again.
accessory for
Pack your
those who pack
clothes, zip
frequently
it
and
up,
want to
and use the
maximize
pump to
space,
shrink it
but it may
down,
not be
saving up
perfect
to
for everyone.
60% of
The
space.
durable
They're
build and
waterproof
compact
and
pump work well
odor-proof,
for
so
many
everything
users,
stays
yet
neat and
inconsistent
organized
delivery
no matter what you
experiences and
pack.
mixed
Now,
customer
here's the
service
part I
feedback are
love. The
important
pump is
factors to
portable
consider
and
before
USB-C
purchasing.
rechargeable,
Be
so you
prepared
can
to allow
compress
extra
anywhere,
delivery
even
time
at the
and
airport
check the
before
return
heading
policy
home.
before
And if you're
placing an
like
order.
me and
If
always
this
come
video
back with
helped you,
more
make sure
stuff
to
than you
like and
left with, the
subscribe.
modular
Thank you
design
for
means you
watching.
can add